So my name is Troy Wadsworth. I'm with Western Nevada College. I'm the co-director for the ID department there, and we've been using OnBase for 14 years. One of our biggest challenges that we've found with Western Nevada College is that WNC covers a huge demographic area. We cover over 12,000 square miles. So for our students to turn in documents to our admissions department and financial aid, we're having a lot of issues because a lot of our forms and documents were paper. So what we had to do is we had to just to innovate that process. And what we wanted to do is have our students be able to submit their documents electronically into our college instead of the old way by doing it by paper. So now what happens is that our students they open up a Unity form, and they can either take a picture of the document that they're sending, like say their driver's license or their tax information that they need for financial aid or for admissions. They attach it right on that Unity form, and then they hit submit, and that form goes right up to our admissions office. It's super simple. The biggest impact that this had was especially our students and the parents. It made it so much more easier for them to submit these documents. We want our admissions process and our financial aid process to be easy. So the impact that Hyland's innovation had upon our college was happier students, happier parents. That makes everything in higher education. Hyland has helped us reform higher education.